It's foggy here at the Plettenberg Nature Reserve with light snow and rain. It was freezing cold this weekend across the Cape provinces with snow on the mountaintops. But let's get back to Annette in the studio and she'll tell you about this week's weather.
Hope you're staying warm, Michelle. It's going to be another freezing cold morning across South Africa with temperatures plummeting below freezing level in the shade of pink, which is almost the entire country. Behind a cold front, strong west to southwesterly winds will blow at first over the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Thankfully, winds will start to calm down into the afternoon, mainly blowing moderate to fresh, becoming windy later in parts of the Cape provinces as well as our neighbouring country, Namibia. A mainly dry Tuesday with only morning light rain for parts of the Eastern Cape, mainly over the coastal areas, a slight chance of light rain for KwaZulu-Natal, and then later drizzle spreading along the eastern escarpment as well as into the low veldt of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It is going to be a cold start to your day for the Western Cape, frost in places with a temperature plummeting to 1 degree in Worcester as well as Robertson and dropping to freezing level on Tuesday morning in Laingsburg as well as Beaufort West, and icy cold -2 in Oudtshoorn and -4 degrees on Tuesday morning in Graaff-Reinet. It is going to be icy cold over large parts of the Eastern Cape on Tuesday morning, -6 degrees in Aliwal North, -2 in Kua as well as Matatiele. A strong southwesterly wind at first over the coastal areas, later blowing moderate with 18 degrees in East London, remaining cold over the interior of the Eastern Cape. An onshore flow bringing in some cloud for KwaZulu-Natal, mainly over the northern areas in the morning, later becoming partly cloudy with only 13 degrees in Vryheid after a cold 3 degrees. Also icy cold over the high veld of Mpumalanga, temperatures below freezing the morning, remaining cold the afternoon, only 13 in Ermelo, 11 in eMakhazeni. A chilly day for Mbombela, cloudy skies with drizzle later spreading along the eastern escarpment as well as into the low veld of Limpopo, 20 degrees in Zenith. After an icy cold morning with temperatures close to freezing over the bushveld, we are expecting frost again in those places and then later temperatures below 20 degrees. Also freezing cold the morning, northwest temperatures plummeting below freezing. Later the sun's shining, but temperatures will battle to reach 20 degrees. In the Northern Cape, -3 in Sutherland, Carnarvon, Daar, as well as Colesberg, -2 in Kolfinia, and Kimberley, we're expecting frost in places. Also freezing cold the morning yet again in the Free State, dropping to -4 degrees in Bloemfontein and -5 for both Vicksburg as well as Bethlehem, remaining chilly to cold the afternoon. Also an icy cold morning for Gauteng, yet again dropping to -2 degrees in Vereniging, freezing points in Johannesburg, with a high of only 17 in the afternoon, 1 at first in Pretoria, and only warming up to 18 degrees. Temperatures are slightly warmer on Wednesday in places, some sunshine conditions for the central areas, but warming up nicely over the western parts of South Africa on Wednesday and Thursday due to bergwind conditions, 29 in Vredendal and a comfortable 24 expected in Cape Town. Also much warmer conditions on Thursday for the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.